Welcome back to the Grazer Gear YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be running some weaned calves through a bud box, and I thought I'd bring you along, show you how our bud box is set up, and also how the bud box works. So how does it work with the cattle's natural instincts to load them calmly, quietly, and effectively into the chute where we, whatever you might need to do. We got the squeeze chute up there, we got the calf table up there, all that. So follow along. We're going to load some calves, take a couple drafts of them, and show you how this bud box is set up and how it works. So really quick, just how the bud box works. We've got this blacked out gate here, and so that makes it where it's real obvious. It's an auto close gate, and it makes it where it's real obvious once they're in here, they can't go back that way. So coming off of that gate to the left immediately, we have our alleyway. Then we've got about 20 feet probably, maybe a little bit more deep, and 10 or 12 feet wide, maybe 16 feet. This is actually pretty wide. So the way this is going to work, the cattle are going to come through here, they're going to get pressured against that, and they're going to flow around in a clockwise flow, come back around here and go straight out there. Let me go grab some calves and show you this. All right, now these are a bunch of calves. We've got all of these, like this bull. He's a embryo transfer calf that we just got. And he is not used to our system. He's never been in a bud box a day in his life. These red tags have been through with mom once or twice probably, maybe a few more times than that. You notice how they're walking past me pretty calm though. They're not all panicking and running. I'd like to get one more just to make it an even 10. There we go. All right. So they're all up here. I'm gonna grab my automatic gate with this cable. That gate's gonna close automatically. And then when I come into this bud box, my alley is right here to the left, right where they just came in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push that way. I'm gonna push them towards that gate. Put all the pressure that direction, and never once put pressure anywhere but that direction. So I'm gonna let them feel all the pressure. I'm giving a little wobble here. And then I'm not gonna turn around. I'm gonna spin my camera around. I'm still facing that open gate. I'm not even looking back at them. Just like that, natural instinct, they all went in. They're gonna walk straight through the chute. It's open, but it's not on, no noise or anything. By working with the natural instinct of the cattle, we can push all those calves through in what was that, 30 seconds, straight through the bud box. We're not crowding them, we're letting them walk through calmly, and it's really a pretty effective tool. The reason I'm doing this with the weaner calves is I'm getting them used to the flow of the corrals. So as we start doing this, every day we've been working them. It's good to do that right when they're first weaned, give them something to think about besides mom. But above and beyond that, we're working them through the pens so that we will have good handling, gentle, reasonable cattle for the rest of their lives. So whether they stay here or whether they go out and end up on someone else's ranch, they're gonna handle well. Hopefully no matter the stockmanship skill, but trying to get good, calm, reasonable calves. All right, we'll do this one more time. This is the last little drag here. Sometimes you can catch their left eye right here. Doesn't always work. Well, it worked with him a little bit. You can catch their left eye and make them notice that hole as they walk past it. But same thing, auto slam gate, boom. I'm gonna put pressure on them facing that way. I'm gonna let them flow back around me, going clockwise. I'm just keeping pressure here, keeping pressure here. I'm not turning around because behind me is a lower pressure zone. So they're feeling release as soon as they walk behind me. There we go. And that is how a bud box works. All right, well, I hope that's enjoyable. A lot of people haven't seen bud boxes before. I know a lot of guys use like a funnel. They kind of put them in a chute or in an alleyway like this and then funnel them straight out the end. We had that for quite a while at the former ranch I worked at. We had that. I don't think we ever had a bud box down there. This is really nice though. It works really well. It works with the cattle's natural instinct as long as you know how to use it. So anyways, hope that's enjoyable. Hope it is informative to somebody. And if you like this content, follow along. We do all kinds of things for ranchers and grazers. That's the theme of this channel. So I hope that's informative and hope it's helpful. If you would like this video, if you followed all the way to the end, subscribe, go and hype the video. It's on the like bar. If you scroll that bar where the like button's at to the right, there's a hype video button. You can press that button, and that really helps me out, pushes the channel a little bit more to people who wouldn't normally find it. So thanks for watching the Grazer Gear YouTube channel, and we'll catch you next time.